Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you fluffy sponge cake by sand baking method. It was my birthday. I made this cake on my birthday. With basic ingredient, I have taken 15 chopped walnut. Into a deep mixing bowl, add half cup sugar, half cup rice bran oil. If you have olive oil, you can use that. Beat with the electric beater for 2 minutes. Beat until the sugar dissolves. I have taken 2 eggs. Break the egg one by one and add into the mixture. Beat for just 30 seconds. Make sure don't overbeat the egg. Into a sieve, add 1 cup refined flour, that is all-purpose flour. Put half a teaspoon baking soda and 1 full teaspoon baking powder. For making fluffy sponge cake, perfect quantity is important. Now sift together all the ingredients to distribute evenly and to remove the large particle. Beat until there is no flour is visible and keep aside for 5 minutes. In the meantime, prepare a cake tin. Pour a teaspoon oil. Brush the oil and grease the cake tin. Sprinkle some flour on the cake tin so that the cake will not stick with the base. Add half cup milk to the previously prepared mixture and beat well until the mixture turns creamy, light and fluffy. I have not used any essence. You can use some vanilla essence. Well, combine with a spoon until the mixture looks uniform. Look, batter is now like canned condensed milk. Pour the prepared batter into the prepared cake tin. Now tap 2 to 3 times. Tapping is important because it releases the air bubble. Turn on the heat, put a pressure cooker and add some sand. Cover and let the cooker heat up. Place the cake tin gently into the pressure cooker. Cover with a glass lid and I will seal the hole with roll paper. Increase the flame and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and spread the chopped walnut. You can replace it with other dry fruits. Now bake the cake for 35 minutes over medium to low heat. After 35 minutes, open the lid. Insert a knife to check whether the knife is coming out clean. See, our knife is coming out clean and nice. Turn off the heat and cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the cake from pressure cooker. It looks so yummy. Allow it to completely cool. It will take 2 to 3 hours. You may keep it into a fridge. After the cake is completely cool, clean the sideway so that we can remove the cake easily from cake tin. Now I will demold the cake. Turn the cake tin upside down. Cake is baked perfectly. It's fluffy and the color is golden brown. Dear friends, I need your blessing. If you think this video is helpful, like, share.